that includes like single letter and double letter sound. Now, for example, you can see here. Now, this is for kids, okay? Okay, now see, you can see the letter A. Everyone knows letter A, right? This is the capital A and this is the small a, okay? Now we have all learned the letter A. But when we pronounce a word, it becomes the sound A. So, understood? For example, apple. So the letter is A, but the name of the letter or the sound of the letter is the A. So apple, and, or suppose it is coming in the between of the word, it becomes ran. Okay, like for example, A-N-T, A-N-T, and. Okay, so letter A sound A. Now, how can we understand this sound A? I'm sure that every one of you loves to hear the story. Yes, so here I'm going to tell you the story of sound A. What happens is there is a family and they are going for a picnic. Every one of us goes for the picnic? Yes? Okay. So these kids are also going for the picnic. And just like all of you who help the parents to pack the bags, the children also help their parents to pack the bags. And finally, they reach the picnic spot. Then they started eating something. And what happens when we eat at the outside and we spill some food here and there? Who comes there? Ant come there. Huh? So similarly, when they're eating, they find something tickling them. And when they saw what they found, some ants are crawling up their arms. And they jump up shouting, ah, like that. Everybody of us shouts like that when we are frightened or when we are afraid? Yes. So letter A, sound ah. Okay. Now, again, there is a song also. Okay. Let me play the song also. Yeah. All of us will listen to the song of yes. First we listen and just understand.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
बहुत तकलीफ दे रहे हैं. Okay. So ants are causing me alarm. So that is letter A and sound is A. Huh? Now sometimes what happens? This letter I. This letter I also accompanies the letter A. Then what happens? Just I told you that level 1 has single letter sounds and double letter sounds. So now when A and I comes together, the sound changes. The sound becomes A. Why the sound changes? Suppose we can consider that letter A and I are friends. Correct? Every one of us has friends. So similarly, they are friends and we share a lot of things with our friends. We share our tiffin, we share our pencil. So these friends, A and I, what do they share? They are the letters. So they share the sound. And the sound becomes A. Okay. So suppose this is the word. So see, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 letters. But how many sounds? R, letter R has sound R. 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 A and I together has sound A. And letter N has sound N. N. So R, A, N. Only 3 sounds. When we combine them together, the word will become rain. And if I'll remove the letter I, then it will become ran. Ran and rain. Similarly, pan and pain. Okay. So this is the single letter sounds and the double letter sounds. I'm sure some of you who are the little bit elder kids, they know what is the what is the vowel sounds. Okay. Now this is the vowel letter. So when there is only A, so this is the sound A. This is what is known as the short vowel sound. Chota chota. Short vowel sound. And this is AI becomes A. That is called the long vowel sound. Okay. So this is all about the letter A, sound A and sound A. Similarly, letter O, letter O has sound O. Okay, as in octopus, on, off. We switch on the button, we switch off the button, off, off. But again, when A comes with the letter O, the sound is O and O. Now, also I have a story for sound O, sound O. What is the story? There is a family and a brother and a sister. Okay, they shift to the, like, whole family shift to the new house. And in their room, the brother and the sister has the bunk bed. So one is the upper bed and the one is the lower bed. In the night, they go to sleep. But the naughty brother will not sleep. What he will do? He will play with the light button, keeping it on, off, on, off. So that is the action for sound off, on, off, like that. Okay. So this is sound off, and again we have the O and A together. That is the O sound. Okay. So again, letter O, sound off, and O and A comes together. The sound becomes O. Again, the short vowel and the long vowel sound. Okay. Similarly, this is letter I, sound E. And letter I and E comes together. The sound becomes I. Okay. So this is all about the single letter sounds and the double letter sounds. Now let's come to the blending part. Okay. What is the blending part? Suppose we will first, once we learn all the sounds, step by step with each sound, we come to the blending part. Now, for example, kids will learn letter G, the sound is G, and letter O, sound is O. So this will become G, O. The blending will be Go. Like in got, got, got. Or P-O-T, P-O becomes PO, and T, P-O-T. Also, there is another way to teach this. This is for parents, just I am telling you. We call it the, like, odd family, at family, in which cat, mat, bat, like rhyming words will be there. But for the bigger words, always not this is like this method always doesn't work. So we can have different combinations of the blending. P-O becomes PO, T, pot, like that. Okay. So this is how we blend them, and this is how the children will learn how to blend and how to make a word. So this goes on for the, like, 4-letter words, 5-letter words, for every number of letter words. Okay. So this was all about the level 1. So this is just to show you in the demo. But like I told you, there are 42 sounds, and this is how will we go. Okay, with the stories and with the lots of activities, worksheets also. And by the end of